Hey guys, here a pendulum is hung from the roof and of a sufficiently high building and is moving freely to and fro like a simple harmonic oscillator. And the acceleration of the bob of the pendulum is 20 meter per second square when it is at a distance of 5 meter from the mean position. Let's say this is the mean position and it is here right now, which is 5 meter from the mean position. And we need to find out the time period of oscillation. So the formula for acceleration is omega square y, where is omega square is omega is the rotational velocity and y is the distance from the mean position. And we are we can calculate from here the rotational velocity is 2 radian per second using the formula, this one, and the formula for time is 2 pi by omega, that is the 2 pi divided by the rotational velocity, which gives us the value of pi second. So the correct answer is fourth option, that is the pi second is the time taken by the pendulum to complete a round.